If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Ethereum video update today. So Ethereum is looking quite interesting again, because everything is looking quite interesting. It seems like we are on the verge of bottoming out, and we're trying to see what exactly can happen. I haven't talked about Ethereum just yet, and if I do zoom out of here and go back into the daily, you can see that Ethereum is really picking up, and you can see that it broke out of a downtrend, which you have your first resistance there, second resistance here, third resistance right there. And SHIB also has a very similar structure. Watch the SHIB update on the channel if you want to, if you're interested in that. And there's a little bit of a continuation pattern to actually go up to 1700 as well. And to me personally, if you're breaking the downtrend, you actually go back to where this resistance actually began, and you could potentially see Ethereum coming up to nearly $2,000. So that's going to be a price increase from there to there of nearly 27% to the upside. Now, that's like the daily time frame. Personally, to me, that's how it looks like. And if we go back, like, I'm just going to actually undo some of the drawings right there. Right, so here we go. And if anyone understands this, you have a continuation pattern right there, boom and boom, and you have Ethereum that actually is looking from the to go from the bottom to the top right there, and you can see that you are on a technical target to go to $1,700, something like that. And then potentially when you go up here, you continue to make another continuation pattern and then move all the way up to 1900 as well. So that's pretty much it for this update on Ethereum right now. Gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.